These are the elevators at Trimont Plaza, the lobby elevators in Grandview, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are old 1980s Westinghouse elevators. Go down to parking level 4. These have the dinner bells. They're 1980s Westie with really annoying buzzers. Here, parking level 4. That is a really sick and annoying buzz. Why is there an 11 barrel there? I don't get that. Look at the 4. 4 button's a bit hard to press. These have pretty nice motors. EPCO AE fixtures on the inside. We'll go back down to 1. 88 foam. Here are your EPCO AE fixtures. I believe the cabs are redone. They're pretty nice. Tile floors. Oh, the buzz failed that time. Oh, there we go. Another buzz worked. Classic Westinghouse elevators. Here, back at 1.